Introducing Datalogic Skorpio X5. Be ready for performing any scan tasks seamlessly, even in the harshest working environment. Skorpio X5 is more. Skorpio X5 is the best-in-class fully rugged key-based mobile computer to face the toughest enterprise challenges in data capture. The powerful next generation of Datalogic Skorpio family that stands out in any data collection application from distribution centers to retail stores. Lightweight, ergonomic, with plenty of different configurations and differentiating features, Skorpio X5 is the perfect business companion for professionals in the warehouse, shop floor, manufacturing floor and any logistics facility. Retail. Price check and update, store inventory, store replenishment, online order fulfillment, workforce management, receiving goods in store, retail front end, mobile point of sale, assisted sales. Transport and logistics, receiving, put away, replenishment, picking, order fulfillment, forklift operations, truck loading, unloading, inventory, returns, and baggage management. Manufacturing, intralogistics, receiving, inventory, and put-away management, picking and shipping, work order management, quality control and traceability, kitting, planogram compliance, technical documentation, schematics. Healthcare, receiving and quality check, warehousing, inventory management, order fulfillment, returns management, shipment batch tracking, pharmacy applications.